Hi, welcome to G7CR Spotlight, Season 1, Episode number 5. Today we have with us another individual who is one of the young kids on the block. Okay, I'm Manohara. Who do you like better, mom, dad?
I love mom. I used to forget my chapel every day. Every time.
Every time. What was the naughtiest thing you did when you were in school?
My family economic state is not good. So hostel fees is near to 2 lakhs.
Wow.
So difficulties.
What really happened?
So actually, there is no control between my left side face and my brain.
How do you feel being on the spotlight today?
So it's pleasure to be in G7 Spotlight.
Today we have with us another individual who's one of the young kids on the block. Okay, I'm Manohara, who's there's lots of Manohara which I would like to get to know myself, and we hope the rest of G7 will also get to know. Welcome, Manohara, to the
Thank you,
spotlight.
sir. Thank you so much.
Manohara, how do you feel being on the spotlight today?
So it's pleasure to be in G7 Spotlight.
It's pleasant. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you feeling a little nervous, a little tense?
Yeah,
No?
yeah.
Little bit.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So relax. Very comfortable show. So don't be nervous for anything.
Sure.
Stay comfortable and let's basically get to know you better.
Sure.
So Manohara, we love to start with family. Okay. How many people do you have in family?
So in my family we have 3 members. So 1 dog. So my father, my mother, and me, and one dog. That's it.
Wonderful. So that's another family member now.
Yes.
So you're very passionate about pets.
I don't passionate about pets actually. It's unfortunately it has become added as a family
Family
member.
member. Unfortunate. Tell us the story. What is the pet's name? I mean,
So
someone
pet's name
gifted
is Pinky actually.
it? Pinky.
So,
Okay.
so I used to travel from my village to Mandya city.
Okay.
So while going, I saw that there is a dead dog with 3 puppies.
Oh.
Okay. I called my friend. So basically, I'm not a dog lover.
Okay.
So I called my friend. So do you like to have this puppy? So looks, it's a street dog. So no one wants to take that dogs to their home. So however, I reached out 3 people. They came and they took only 2 people. Two puppies, 2 pets. So why means they want only male pets.
Oh, okay.
Another one is there. No one wants to take to their homes.
Wow.
So I took it to my home.
Oh, how many years ago was this?
It's a 6 year ago.
6 years ago. Wow. And now I think Pinky's
Now
become
actually in my family they give priority like more than me for that.
Do you get jealous now about Pinky, or you love her also equally?
Nowadays I also started love that.
You also started loving Pinky. Amazing. No, this is a very noble thing to do. So very good to know that, Manohara.
Yes.
So no brothers, no sisters.
No.
It's been so you were the pampered kid when you were growing up, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So who do you like better, mom, dad? Who do you have a better equation with?
Equation is I love mom.
Mom. Okay.
Yes.
So dad is strict? No.
He's bit strict. So thing is I can never share anything with my mom.
Okay.
So I can ask anything. I can share any feelings. If it's a good, if it's a bad, if it's anything, I can able to share easily with her. And I can take any solution with her. That's the reason I love mom.
Comfortable. Okay. And usually boys most probably are more comfortable with the mom. You can always talk to them and so on. Growing up, which school did you go to? I mean.
Yeah, actually I studied in a government school till 7th. After 7th, 8th to 10th, I joined BET, Bharati Education Trust.
Okay.
It's near to my village. So there I completed my 10th. So then I joined diploma.
Okay.
So once I joined diploma, I stopped my study there.
Okay.
So I thought I do something else in my life because my family economic state is not good.
Okay.
So financially they are not good to provide everything. So that's the reason I stopped there. After I took a 1 or 1.5 year break, I thought why can't I do graduation because I am not getting any work or any position for that kind of education.
Right.
So again I decided to join BE. Why can't I do BE? I joined BE.
Okay.
So in Bangalore SJBIT, this is one of the prestigious college in India. So I got seat there, CET.
Okay.
So there only I need to pay 70,000 per annum. That's
Wonderful.
it.
Wonderful.
So I joined there. After that, so difficulties. When I want to stay in Bangalore, I want to join hostel. So hostel fees is near to 2 lakhs.
Wow.
So I'm not able to offer that much money. So for one of my diploma class, my senior is there. He's also studying there only. So I informed him. So I want to join. I got seat from SJBT. I want to study here. So I don't want to
Pay
that
the
much.
hostel fees. I don't
Yeah,
have the money for the
I don't have the money to offer the huge like 2 lakhs. So he suggested, why can't you share room with me?
Okay.
So yeah, absolutely. Well, that's the only way. Okay, I joined there. So after till 2 years, I was with him. So till now I didn't force for money for my mother or my father. So there is an event organization is there.
Okay.
Every week there is an event organization at 5-star hotels.
Okay.
So I joined there.
Okay.
So every weekend I will get 1,000 or 2,000.
Wonderful.
Yeah, that's enough for me for an entire week.
Achha, achha, achha. So you're working during this
weekend
this
only.
weekend only.
Yeah.
Okay. So the events were like marriages and other things were
Yes,
in the
in 5-star hotels and some other international
Okay.
exhibitions.
Exhibitions and
Yeah.
other things. Oh, amazing. I would love to go back to your school life, but so coming back to your school, okay, in the government school when you studied, what were the special moments there? Do you remember anything which was?
Actually, normally everyone knows that government school not will give higher education, like quality of education.
Okay.
So in common words, quality of education means a teacher will not come to every period
Okay.
and they won't teach you in the correct manner.
Okay.
They will very lazy.
Easy.
So if you want to study, if it's self-study, you want to do.
Self-study.
Till 5th or 6th standard, we don't know what is study actually in government school. So after 6th, so we were looking up to other school people. So
Right.
they are having good dress, good shoes. Why don't we have? So my thinking started there. So we have to learn something in school or anywhere. We want to something learn.
Right.
So I started, okay, we want to do something. I joined tuition. So there is a school master. He will teach freely
Okay.
to everyone. So I joined there. He taught me everything. So more than school.
Wow. Okay. So a big thank you to that master today.
Yes.
What's his name?
He's Srinivas.
Srinivas. Okay. So a big thank you to Srinivas. Today we have you here with us because Srinivas helped you most probably in
Yes.
studying. Were you naughty in school? I mean, did you get beating from any of the teachers?
No, sir. I'm very calm.
Oh, very calm. Okay. What about at home? I mean, do you get beating at home when you were
Yeah,
growing up?
every time.
Dad, mom, both.
On that situation, on that time, so bad mom, bad dad.
Both of them. So you got beating from both at some time. What was the naughtiest thing you did when you were in school, where your dad or mom was very angry with you?
So I used to forget my chappal every time. Every time.
Every time. Okay.
Yes.
Nothing naughtier. Huh?
One or two time I theft my money
Okay.
Yeah.
From home or?
from home.
I think we all do that sometimes growing up. Okay.
That's the reason I have taken beat.
Oh, good. But I think that was a good lesson, most probably. You
Yes.
learned that you're not
After
supposed
that,
to do that.
I never.
Never again.
Yes.
Wow. What about puppy loves? There was no, apart from Pinky, there was no puppy loves. There was no girls in your life during school. I mean,
No,
usually
sir. Till now there is no girls.
till now there's no girls. Right? You're sad about that or happy about that?
I'm moderate about that actually.
Not sad, not happy. You're
No.
neutral. Okay. So should we give a message to all the girls in G7 that you're available?
No, sir.
No.
No.
You're
I'm
not available.
interested.
Not interested. Okay. What about college? After you went to college, how was it, especially the diploma? I mean, did you
Yeah.
learn things in diploma? Was that in Bangalore or was that in Mandya?
I was that in Mandya only. Mandya
Mandya,
near
sir.
village Bharti Nagar.
Okay.
There is a VT Polytechnic. So there I joined. So okay, there's a education is better compared
Okay.
to government school. That's a better education
Better
there
education.
already. So after completing BT Polytechnic, I joined SJBT.
Okay.
There actually in SJBT it was good.
Good.
They're
Okay.
very
That was
good.
where you did your engineering, right?
Yes.
Okay.
There actually each and every faculty is very cooperative.
Okay.
And if you don't know anything, they can ask. They can call, we can call them directly
Right.
to call his phone number. Sir, I have done this one. They will directly clear call on.
Why engineering, but Manora? I mean, what made you choose
Yeah.
engineering?
Why engineering actually, sir? So when I took a break after BT Polytechnic, so respect actually. Most probably you don't get respect. So if someone is come to you, so what you are doing? So I have completed my diploma. I'm looking for some job. Why only diploma? Why can't you do engineering? Because of them, I'm not doing engineering. Because of I want to do engineering, I want to notify to social. I mean,
The public.
I have done a graduation.
Right.
I'm not less than other. That's why.
So how did it feel when you joined G7, talking about education, where you understood I was the 12th standard pass?
No, sir. Actually, you have more knowledge than everyone in G7.
In terms of during the college, I mean, you used to come to Bangalore before that, or your first time in Bangalore? When was the first time you came to Bangalore?
First time
Engineering.
bank when I joined engineering, that's about my first time.
Okay, now you come from Mandya, which I know is a small town. Okay, and you've come into Bangalore, big, bad, bright light city. Okay, how was the transformation? Did you like Bangalore? Did you not like Bangalore?
Actually, SABT is like located in a border of Bangalore, Kengeri.
Okay.
So I don't feel like that. It's like it's similar kind of village only.
Okay.
I used to stay in. I forgot that village name.
No worries. Okay. So at least you didn't see the bad side of Bangalore. No, you would have because you were working in events and all that.
Yeah. After when I suddenly I don't join any event.
Right.
So after 6 months I joined.
Okay.
So that's very difficult.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So then you see the bad side of Bangalore.
Yeah, bad side of Bangalore. Then I saw.
Excellent. Did you have some bad experiences during working? Because I know when it comes to events, the kind of pressure, right? The
Yes,
lot
sir.
of crowd, people.
Actually, we have to do whatever they tell.
Right.
So that's the important thing.
Achha.
So if some like if any filmmakers came to a hotel,
Right.
so if there's someone told to take their bags, we have to take that.
Take it. Achha.
That's our task. So that's the reason they are paying for us. We have to do that.
Right. How much were they paying you per day? I mean,
Per day, it's depending on like event.
Event. Okay.
So some day we will get hardly 300 rupees. Some day we used to get huge money like 1,000 rupees.
1,000 rupees. And tips also were involved. Sometimes tips was there or no? There was no tips.
No, we are
So you were not
like,
customer facing.
yeah, only we are getting from money from the event organizer.
Event organizer. Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. And you were staying with a friend now in Bangalore.
Yeah.
So how was cooking and all that? You guys
Yeah.
eating outside? You know how to cook?
After I learned cooking after 6 months with my friend. He taught me each and everything, how to cook, how to do each and everything, veg,
Wonderful.
non-veg.
Wonderful. So G7CR girls, I hope you're listening to this. Manohar is available and he basically knows how to cook. Once college was over, I mean, did you attend other interviews or anything, or G7 was the first interview?
Actually, G7 is my first interview.
First interview. I mean, was any campus done? No.
No, I didn't attend any campus.
Okay.
Because of my diploma gap is there.
Achha.
They won't allow for if you have any gap in between degree and your intermediate, they won't allow for campus.
Seriously? Good
Yes.
for us actually. That's why we have you, because of that problem of this. They lost you, we got you. How many rounds of interviews did you have in G7?
Actually, 2 rounds.
2 rounds.
One from Deepak sir.
Deepak sir. Okay, and one was from me. What did they ask you during the interview? Do you remember anything?
During interview time, Deepak sir asked me, so do you know about Office 365?
Oh.
Yeah, I know a bit about Office 365. I was not master on Office 365. So sir asked me about cloud. What is cloud? How many types of cloud?
Right.
So why we need to use cloud?
Right.
What's the advantage? What's the disadvantage? What is the future of like technology?
Okay.
Like this kind of question.
Excellent. And Deepak was very impressed with you. He gave us a very positive feedback. I think your second round was with me after that. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I don't remember, but I know most of the interviews I threaten people. So
Yes,
did
sir.
I threaten you also?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What did you feel during that? Now, honest answer. So what did you feel?
I'm ready to do like I was ready to do work. Even Saturday, Sunday, I want job. That's it.
That's it.
I
Okay.
don't- And he offered me.
After joining, were you in training? I don't remember. Your batch was in training. Did we put you
Yes,
in
sir.
training?
We are in town.
You were in that batch which I
Yes.
trained also, right? And you guys were in 6 months almost.
Yes.
For training. Okay. During the training, were you guys learning, not learning? We see a lot of people tell me today that during the training they take it lightly, and after that they realize, oh my God, we should have studied more.
Actually, during training is something different. When it comes to production,
Right.
we will face different issues.
Correct.
During training, there's a set of subject and topics,
Right.
and we just used to follow that.
Right.
That's it.
Okay.
So we can do it. If we are facing some kind of error, we can Google it, we can find it, and we can resolve that issue.
Right.
So when it comes to production, we don't know exact environment of client.
Right.
So how many servers they are using, if it is like the domain control or
Right.
not. So if we turn off that machine, is there any production environment is there?
Right.
We need to check each and everything. It's totally different. What we learned in our training, it's when it comes to production, it's totally different.
Different. Correct. Okay. The troubleshooting part is totally
Yeah,
different.
troubleshooting part is totally different.
Which part of the training was your favorite? I mean, you attended Linux also, I think Linux was there.
we don't attend.
Okay. No,
It's a
outside training,
self-
right? You went to Alchemy Solutions. how
We
did
don't
you
get any outside trainer.
trainer at all. So 6 months you were all in internal training only.
Yes.
Okay. I thought we had one batch outside for Linux, no?
Yeah, the previous batch we had.
The previous batch.
Yeah.
Acha. So you were the
Yeah.
batch prior to that.
Yes.
Oh, so I don't remember your training at all. Okay. Which were the subjects that you learned during the training? I mean, what were the programs? Did you learn Azure?
Actually, we don't learn Azure. Actually, you taught me as like Active Directory and
Okay.
database,
SQL Server.
SQL Server, and server kind of thing.
And someone did Office 365 also, right? I think someone
Yeah,
from Gulab or someone.
Guru Deshpande.
Guru Deshpande. He did Office 365
Yes.
training for you guys. Excellent. So when you went into reporting, who were you reporting to first when you joined?
Gulab sir.
Gulab sir. Okay. So tell me something about Gulab sir.
Gulab sir is certainly most luckily we get he's the second guru in G7CR for me. He's naturally is like a unique person, but he's a responsible and friendly nature person. We used to like him.
Like, okay. So he taught you a lot. How much did you learn from Gulab?
Yes.
Yes, a lot. You said second.
If we
guru.
don't know anything, sorry, I don't know this thing. If it's you don't like segregate, it's a simple thing. It's a great thing.
Okay.
If it's simple, also take your laptop,
Okay.
sit with me, and I will teach you how to do
Okay.
this. That's it.
That's it.
If I ask 2, 3, 4, anytime,
Okay.
he used to teach us.
Excellent.
That's the one of the most
Amazing.
liking part of Gulab.
How do you find the learning? But I mean, as you're working, there's a lot that you guys learn. There's a lot of
Sir, actually, each and every ticket is challenging for us.
right.
So if we get we don't get a similar kind of ticket every day. If we get also, we can use to resolve the ticket with 5 or 10 maximum 1 hour we can resolve it. So some tickets is there. So we need to research. If we research also, the resolution don't matches to their expectation. So if we raise MS ticket, no use.
Right.
So this kind of challenges is there. But there's the most learning thing where we can learn there.
Right. And I think that's a kind of learning which basically
Yes.
there is a problem to solve, so there is pressure, and you have to work with that pressure to resolve.
Yes.
So
Correct.
I don't know. I've always learned when I'm under pressure. Okay. Otherwise, you give me the whole year to learn, it's not possible.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Unless there's an exam tomorrow.
Yes.
Did you guys do some certifications during your training?
Yes, sir. I have done.
Okay. Was there a lot of pressure for that certification because you guys thought you will be thrown out of the company if you don't pass?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You guys didn't like me at that point of time.
Yes.
You felt like beating me up at that point
No,
of
no,
time.
no, not about beating, but it's a bit pressure is there.
Pressure. Okay. But you passed all the exams, right?
Yes, sir,
Every
I
exam you
passed.
took, you
Every
passed
exam,
on the first
attempt
attempt.
only I passed.
Amazing. You said Gulab was your second guru.
Yes.
Who's your first guru?
You won it.
Oh, thank you. I don't think I've taught you that much because anyway, thank you.
But we learn from so many things from you and Deepak, sir.
Deepak sir, excellent. How many bosses have you had in G7 so far? How many people have you reported to? Gulab, after that you reported to somebody else?
Mayank.
Mayank? Okay. Currently your reporting manager is Mayank?
Yes.
Okay. So between Gulab and Mayank, what are the differences in leadership style?
Gulab sir is an experienced person. He knows everything, so how to manage. But when it comes to Mayank is young.
Right.
So, but he's also like supportive guy.
Right.
So when I used to call at 3 a.m., Mayank, I need approval for this activity. Some companies, he need to approve for that activity. He will take and he will ask for detail. Why?
Okay.
So what you are going to do. So in my early morning 3 a.m. also he used to give, okay, take and do it. I will give approval.
Okay.
Every time.
Every time.
That's very supportive.
Excellent. I think during your work time, I remember Deepak calling me, okay, and telling me that you actually got, you fell ill. And
Yes, sir.
you had to be rushed to an hospital and so on. And we were all very worried. I was supposed to come to your house and then they told me, you're not there in Bangalore anymore. You went to Mandya. That was during the lockdown, right? I think.
Yeah, beginning of the lockdown.
Beginning of the lockdown. What really happened?
So actually, there is no control between my left side face and my brain. I'm not able to control anything. My eyes, or my this part, anything. I was not able to control. So that's the important. That's a minor thing. That's not a major. That's a minor thing. And I reach out doctor and I resolved it. It has taken a lot of medication. After 2 or 3 months, I recovered.
And now you're totally
Yeah,
okay.
I'm totally fine.
During that period, did you need any support? Did you reach out for
No,
any
sir.
support? No, you guys managed everything on your own. Excellent. Okay, because I remember asking Deepak when he told me, so find out if there any support required. But I think you didn't take.
It's a minor, so that's the reason I didn't reach out to G7. Otherwise, definitely I don't have any choice. I have to reach out G7.
Wonderful. In terms of the experience with customers in G7,
Yes.
okay, have any customer been angry, shouted at you, upset
Yes.
lots of times?
Yeah. But we can't expect each and everybody should be think equally.
Okay.
So their point of time, their environment is collapsed means they absolutely, obviously they will angry on us. They don't know who has done that activity,
Right.
but they want resolution. Until they get resolution, they will be angry on me.
Pressure. Okay. So how do you deal with this pressure? I mean, when they are very upset, they are shouting. Are you getting angry? How is your emotion? I mean, how do you feel?
Though they don't angry on me
Right.
actually. They angry on us, so why it's not resolving. That's it.
Okay.
So if we resolve that issue, that's it. There will be no angry.
Amazing, very logical actually speaking. That's a very interesting way of looking at it. They're not angry at you. They are angry at why it's not getting resolved.
Yeah.
Amazing,
Only
very
on
nice.
on that process they are angry. That's it.
Excellent, excellent. What is, it's almost 1 year you're in G7 now?
1 year, 10 months.
1 year, 10 months, okay. Oh, almost 1.5 years. Wow,
Yes.
okay. So, where would you like to go from here? I mean, what more would you like to achieve? I mean, you want to grow. If I asked you what is your next step, what would you say?
I want to learn much in life.
Okay.
So I want to be a better person.
Right.
So not on money. So I want a better person like in social.
In terms of anything that you think you can change in G7, I'm going to make you MD for a minute now. So you're the MD of G7. What will be your first decision?
First is I will provide food, pay and use food.
Pay and use food? Okay. Amazing. Great.
That's the only change I require.
Excellent. Wonderful.
Because we don't have any hotels. So
Right.
nearby
Correct.
the MGO. That's the reason.
Cool. When you guys come back, there'll be food in the office. We got a good cafeteria now. So,
Thank you, sir.
and I'll tell everybody now we'll call this cafeteria Manohara Cafeteria because the food is coming because you asked. Manohara, in terms of the growth opportunities that you see, do you think this you will be able to grow in this company? Do you see it as something which is
Definitely, sir. So if I join any other MNCs, I don't get this kind of growth and learning everything and support.
excellent?
This is the one we can learn and we can grow here.
Wonderful. Who's your best friends in G7?
My best friend is Ravi Kiran,
Okay.
Sujata, Nawab,
Nawab,
and Prajwal Kulkarni.
Prajwal Kulkarni. Okay. What about marriage, love, all of this? Never
So,
happened to you at all?
yeah.
There would have been some girl at some stage, Manohara, I'm sure. Okay. It always happens to everybody, right?
Sir, actually, I'm planning to marry after 2 years. So
After 2
that's the
years.
reason I don't want to.
Acha. So, arranged marriage?
Yeah, arrange.
Acha. So, girl is already there in Mandya. Who,
Not in Mandya. They are looking for some other place.
Acha, they're looking for some other place. So, parents are looking, mom and dad is looking.
Yes.
What does dad do, if I could ask? I mean,
So
what
actually,
is-
sir, we have a small hotel in
Okay.
our village.
Okay.
That's it.
Wow, amazing. Okay, so you're actually into business
Yeah.
by default. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Manohara, in terms of your personal life right now, how do you travel? How do you come to office? I mean,
I used public travel like BMTC.
BMTC. Okay.
Yeah.
How has lockdown been for you?
Lockdown, it's beginning of the lockdown. It's very critical, sir. Actually, so this is the first time we are doing work from home.
Right.
So when we are working in office, so if I want any rest, so there is a week off. I can go to my home. I can take my rest, and I can come back to office again. So if I'm doing work from home, so
Right.
it's bit. No, I lost my home.
Correct.
So if I want to rest, there is no place to relax.
Relax. Right.
So I like office.
Like
So I
office.
want to work here only.
So looking forward to come back to office.
Yes, sir.
We are all looking forward, actually speaking. We thought we will. I remember we wanted to work permanently from home
Yes.
after COVID happened, but I realized a lot of people are not happy at all after that. So
Exactly right.
Did it help when we made the video calls mandatory?
Yeah, sir. It helps a lot because we don't see people out there.
Right.
So they are changed or not. We want to see that.
Right.
So when we mandatory that video call is for everyone,
Yeah.
that's actually a good option to interact with each and everyone.
Excellent.
So at least we can change your information. Face-to-face contacts are very important.
Do you remember anything that where either Gulab or Mayank or Deepak? I don't remember me shouting at you for anything. But do you remember these three people? They were very angry with you. Do you remember a scenario?
No, sir.
No, they were never very angry with you. Oh, you've been a very good boy in G7. That means. Huh?
No, sir. Actually, really.
So you've been a very good boy. That's why they
Yeah,
were not
yeah.
angry. Amazing. In terms of anything that you would like to choose, if you have to choose between a Gulab and a Mayank as a boss, okay, or Deepak, who would you choose?
Deepak, sir.
Deepak sir. Okay, I put Deepak also because I didn't want Gulab or Mayank to feel bad. Amazing. Um, I think in terms of most of the things that you've aspiring to do, you did software engineering or you did mechanical?
Software.
You did software engineering. So you took software, you are in software, so all seems to be good. Only thing missing now is most probably you getting married in 2 years' time.
After 2 years.
After 2 years. Okay. How is the hunt? Have you seen some girls already? Have they seen something or
No, not yet.
not yet? Okay. Any friends from Mandya, school, college, who you remember?
Yeah, Pratap is there.
Okay.
He's now current my roommate also.
Okay. And even in college, you didn't do any naughty things. You didn't bunk and go.
This is
for-
a very strict college, sir. We can't do anything.
You cannot. It was like school.
If we bunk one day also, we need to give answer for that to principal.
Wow. Okay.
That's
Oh,
it.
I should have put my son there actually speaking. Very good. In terms of all the work that you've done and learned so far, are you in Azure O365 or you do both right now?
Yes.
You do both right now, O365 and Azure. Okay.
Yes.
So which one do you like better, Azure or O365?
I like both, sir.
You like both. Okay. But I think you've done some amazing tickets, got some appreciation. Which was the customer who appreciated the most? Who's the customer you love the most?
Sujit Karpe company name.
Okay.
So Interim Mocha company name actually. Primary domain is Sujit Karpe.
Okay.
So
Interview.
I got appreciation from them
Wonderful. Wonderful.
after migration.
Excellent. That was the O365?
That was what over 365.
O365 migration.
We don't have like permission to do migration.
Azure migration as of now. Yes. Okay. Amazing. Did it feel good when customers appreciate? Does it feel good? Does it?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
What was your happiest moment in the last 1.5 years in G7 where you were very happy for something that you did?
Very happy. I have done one migration, sir. Actually, they have given. I have already informed them there is no downtime required for Office 365 migration.
Right.
So we can just change MX record after migration.
Right.
You can directly use your Office 365.
Right.
But they are not ready to use do that activity at daytime. So they schedule at 1 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 a.m. they scheduled. So we started like MX record change activity. So after changing MX record, they are not able to. Few people who like A grade employees, like in their company, CTO and MD and CEO, they were not able to log into their email accounts. They're telling we are not able to use. So I asked them, so only you people are not able to log in, is the rest like around 150 people. What about them? So they can able to use. They are not facing any challenges. So only few people we are facing challenges. Why? So I thought, how it's possible? So I have taken remote session and I saw that is there any error they are facing? Actually, there is no error. There's only pop-up.
Okay.
There's a OTP pop-up. So whenever they log in, it will show on a barcode.
Okay.
So they used to scan in their mobile.
Okay.
Okay. When they scan, it will throw an OTP to his mobile. So you need to enter that OTP into
Multi-factor. Right.
Multi-factor authentication. So it will go again from there. Your OTP is not correct. OTP is not correct. Why it's happening? So I tried. So all the things it's 1 a.m. It's almost 2 a.m. So actually they are a great employee. Every transaction depends on their mailbox.
Correct.
So they started shouting.
Right.
This is not the way we need to resolve that as soon as possible. They are creating pressure.
Right.
So I'm not able to research on that activity.
Okay.
So actually I was not able. I tried to reach some other guys, but unfortunately they were not available because of the night.
Right.
They used to sleep. Okay. Then I found that so why they are only there. I checked the multi-factor authentication.
Okay.
That's not enabled for me.
Okay.
So when so just for error trial, I raised MS ticket also because of the production issue.
Right.
So we raised MS ticket. So in the meantime we can't sit simply because there's a production issue. We have to do something. So I tried and so I have taken the remote session and in their global admin. So they have done like without asking me, they have done like they have registered to multi-factor authentication, QR code multi-factor authentication with their primary, like dot.microsoft.com.
Okay.
So then when we change the MX record, we need to add customized domain.
Right.
So we added customized domain. So whatever the OTP is throwing for their mobile, it belongs to actually their primary domain.
Got it.
So when we change that primary domain to customer, it's working fine. So we can resolve. Then I feel happy.
Okay.
However, we resolve this issue. Otherwise, it's very difficult.
Wow.
I don't know, sir. If MS comes, they don't see the issue. They will run. They will ask so many questions. They will drag time like 5 or 6 hours.
Sir.
It's a production issue.
Right.
But before reaching, I mean, before MS by arriving, we got this issue.
Resolved it. And you would have felt very good because you were all alone, right? You did the
Yeah.
research on your own, it was learning on your own. Amazing, amazing, very impressive. This is really good actually. You're enjoying your work, looks like, in terms of any bad experiences that you had where you felt very sad. You felt like angry or sad with someone related to a ticket.
Tickets, sir. Commonly, we are humans. Used to get sometime we used to get customer like we are telling say, so we are giving the proper resolution.
Right.
They are not ready to accept that.
Right.
If you are asking why, means no, I don't want to tell you.
Okay.
I want resolution. That's it.
That's it.
So, but we are giving plenty of options. You can do this. You can do this. You can resolve this issue. This kind of no, I don't want.
Wow.
They are simply shouting on that. That's the sometime that happens.
So Manora, you're known now as a very calm person. How old are you?
Yes, sir. I'm very calm.
How old are you? What is your age now? 26?
28.
28. So in 28 years, have you ever got very angry
Yeah.
with someone where you want to beat them up? Have you beat up anybody?
No. Till now, I'm not beat up anyone. I'm angry on my mother. That's it.
No
one else.
Nobody else? You never had fights in school, fights in college?
Schools is,
School is there, you beat up anyone in school?
yeah.
You beat
from
up?
5th or 6th standard.
5th or 6th standard? Okay. 5th or 6th you beat up people?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you get beat up anytime in school?
Yeah, sir. Vice versa.
Vice versa? Okay. Did any girl beat you up anytime? No. Did-
Only boys.
Only boys. Okay. Was it a co-ed school that you studied in, or it was co-education, girls and boys in the
Yeah,
school?
yeah. Co-education.
It was girls and boys in the school.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. And you have a friend group in Mandya in the school?
Yeah, in
you
my
hang out
village.
with?
Yeah, I am.
What is the favorite things you guys do when you're free and you're not on shift and you're not working? What is your life like?
Actually, we used to roam our village and swimming. Swimming. There's a lake, so we used to swim there.
Wow. Okay. Manor, one last question. I love asking people this question. So, if God came in front of you right now and told you, I'll give you anything that you want, what would you ask?
Health.
Health? Amazing. Wow. Very well said for the current season. Amazing. I'm going to most probably take a break now. After this break, we are going to come back with a rapid fire round.
Sure.
Now, in the rapid fire round, I'll give you the rules so that when we come, we can start the rapid fire round. I will ask you 5 questions.
Okay.
And there is an award if you basically get all of them correct. Okay, so you have an award. We will get a gift.
Okay.
The answers have to be an individual name. Okay?
Sure.
It cannot be no one.
Mhm.
You cannot say no one. Okay. You cannot say multiple names. Okay. The answer can be only a name
Sure.
of a person, of a human being. Ready for the rules? Okay.
Sure.
So we'll take a break. We'll come back and meet you in the rapid fire round.
Okay.
So, Manor, ready for the rapid fire? Your questions start now. Okay, only name could be the answer. Hottest guy in G7.
Prajwal Kulkarni.
Hottest girl in G7.
Chandana.
Wow. Okay. Well, you're going to get a lot of people angry right now in G7. Okay. Question number 3. Okay. In terms of boss, who would you like to prefer as a boss? If you had a choice, whole of G7.
Christopher.
And next question, if you have to be somebody's boss, whose boss would you like to be? Who will be the first employee who would like to report to you?
Sorry, sir.
If you were going to be a boss,
Okay.
who would you like to report to you? One person.
Deepak, sir.
Deepak sir reporting to you, amazing. He's going to love that. Okay. And last question, someone you'd like to kill in G7. It has to be a name.
Pralay.
Amazing. Oh, thank you very much. You fared well. You're the first person who's answered all the 5 questions accurately. So congratulations for that. There are 2 gifts which we are going to give you. One gift which I'll send to your mailbox. Okay, you're going to get a 5,000 rupees gift voucher from Amazon. Okay, which you can use to buy anything that you want from Amazon. So I'll send you that gift voucher by email.
Thank you.
Apart from that, this cup is yours with your nice photograph on it. One of these cups you need to give back to me. So you will sign, put a date, and we'll put it in a vault upstairs to remember that you were in the spotlight today.
Sure.
Okay, can I have the pen, please? Thank you. Thank you, Chan. Date and signature. Thank you very much, Manora. And before we end, thank you firstly for being on the spotlight. And a very, very sincere thank you for everything that you do for G7 and the customers of G7. You are responsible for all our success today. So thank you very much from G7. Thank you.
Thank
very
you,
much,
sir.
Manora.
Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Good. Nice.